Hello everybody, my name is Bill. This is SixRounds Studio, and this is a Winchester 1873 built in 1891. We sold this in the retail store about 2 weeks ago, and the same day that we bought it, a customer came in and he purchased it from us. Now, one of the agreements was the customer who bought it wanted it cleaned up, so he's paying extra money for us to get it cleaned up to make it a little bit more presentable. He wants to maintain all the patina that he can. So this is going to be a patina rifle. He doesn't want to over restore it, overdo it. So there are some issues with this, some things that we need to go after in order to make this a really nice, presentable, period correct 1873. So we're going to do that. So what does this mean to you? Well, I'm going to shoot a series of short videos for my patrons that talk my way through how I clean this up, how I take away some of the worst of the patina, some of the worst of the years of aging that has occurred on this. So if you're interested in learning some of these techniques that I use, head on over to my Patreon page, sign up, $5 level, $5 a month, and you'll get to see some of these techniques that I use to keep these guns in good condition without having to go through an entire restoration process. Thanks for watching this, guys, and I'll see you over on Patreon.